Let's also get you some latest updates on BJP President JP Nadda, who has arrived in Ahmedabad. He was welcomed by the BJP Chief Minister Vijay Rupani as well at the airport. Remember, the BJP chief is scheduled to meet party leaders and grassroots workers to strengthen the party's strategy for local body polls. My colleague Priyanka is tracking the latest. Priyanka, tell us more of what is planned. Priyanka?
So what we are showing you are visuals of inside the BJP meeting. You can see all of the leaders of the BJP are actually currently present here right now. We see several of the earlier leaders of the BJP as well. There are several ministers here as well. We can see Bhupinder Singh Chudasama as well here. There are several other leaders, Jeetu Waghani, who is the earlier state president as well. Actually, let's get a word from him as well. Sir, क्या expected है आज की मीटिंग में? इतने सारे जो यहाँ पर लीडर्स गैदर हुए हैं, लोकल बॉडी पोल्स का क्या स्ट्रैटेजी बीट की?
नहीं, स्टेट में राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आ रहे हैं, राष्ट्रीय संगठन महामंत्री संतोष जी आ रहे हैं, गुजरात में आ रहे, तो स्वाभाविक है एमपी एमएलए कार्यकर्ता पदाधिकारी सबको मार्गदर्शन मिलेगा.
So you can see that there are several leaders who are present here who are actually going to be taking part in this entire meet of the BJP. Several leaders, several former chiefs as well. We have the ministers, Saurabh Patel as well. Let's get a word from him. Sir, what can we expect today in the meeting today? There are several leaders from across the state, national leaders present here. क्या expect कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, we're all over here to get guidance from our president. Let's see.
So we are also looking at the party being in really high spirits after the by-polls, 8 out of 8 seats that the BJP had also won. What can we expect in the local elections as well? Because there are several parties who are making their way into Gujarat.
See, it's not going to make any difference. The leadership in BJP is very clear. The organizational strength is also very clear. We are 100% going to win all the elections in the next couple of years also, not this elections. That powerful we are.
We also have Pradeep Singh Jadeja here with us, who is also another minister. Sir, क्या expect हम आज कर सकते हैं? Because कितने सारे leaders यहाँ पे present हैं. अपने हमारे जो state president हैं यहाँ पे होंगे. JP नड्डा जी के साथ में इतनी बड़ी meeting हो रही है. Local body elections को लेके क्या exactly strategy बनी जाएगी? और इस बार ये भी बोला जा रहा है कि इस government के लिए litmus test होगा ये local body election.
हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष नड्डा जी, उनका स्वागत करने के लिए और आने वाले दिनों में भारतीय जनता पार्टी संगठन और सरकार, उन सभी के बारे में उनका जो मार्गदर्शन मिलेगा, उन मार्गदर्शन के आधार पर आने वाले दिनों में जो तालुका पंचायत, जिला पंचायत के चुनाव आने वाले हैं, उसमें हम बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन करके भाजपा की पूरे राज्य के अंदर जीत होगी, ऐसा संकल्प के साथ हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं.
सर, इस बार ओवैसी जी की जो पार्टी है वो भी गुजरात में कंटेस्ट करने वाली है. आम आदमी पार्टी भी कहीं ना कहीं लोकल बॉडी इलेक्शंस को देख रही है, निशाना बनाने की कोशिश करा जा रहा है. गुजरात में भी अपना प्रेजेंस बढ़ाने की कोशिश की जा रही है. हाउ डू यू सी दिस? उनका क्या उनके साथ में भी क्या मतलब टक्कर दे पाएंगे?
गुजरात में थर्ड पार्टी का कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का वोट शेयर है वो दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ता जा रहा है. हमारी 25 साल से सरकार है और हमने जिस तरह गुजरात में विकास का काम किया, उससे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी साहब और राज्य स्तर के नेतृत्व से लोग काफ़ी खुश हैं.
All right, so what you saw were several leaders, several ministers here as well who have said that they are completely confident of the local body elections, which are as of now scheduled to be held in February this year. They were supposed to be happening in November, but because of COVID, it had been delayed. And this election, let me remind our viewers as well, that this is going to be a litmus test for the current Chief Minister, Vijay Rupani as well, who is going to be present here. As you can see that the dais is set for C.R. Patil, Vijay Rupani, Nitin Patel, and of course JP Nadda as well, who is going to be speaking to all of the leaders who have been present here, who have actually come here to strategize on the upcoming local elections as well. Yes.
Yes. As usual, the BJP taking any and all elections very seriously, putting all its might. JP Nadda all set to helm that meeting that is set to begin. Priyanka, thanks a lot for joining us for that update.